Okay, good morning, dear student. I think earlier also we have seen in two lectures. Exemptions are very, very important due to lack of practice, due to lack of revision. Sometime it took almost half an hour to solve only one and to find out only one item which was exempted under Section 11 under CGST Act. And that is why purposely I've given that much of time to you all, because I wanted you to understand the importance of exemptions. And if you will not be able to understand and identify the exemptions, further aspect of your GST computation will be very difficult. And since last two session we started solving practical questions based on exemptions, we have seen how important it is. We have seen it is very, very critical and crucial for us. See, amongst all, first we identify which are exempted item, and then only we can apply the different tax rate which is applicable for those kind of supply of goods or services, or goods and services both. And then finally we can compute what is the tax liability for those supplies. So today also we are going to continue with the same concept. We all will be going to have a practice. Once again, I'll be giving you the questions. I'll giving you time. You have to get me the answers, and let us see how effectively. I mean, you are going to perform. Earlier session, what we found that yes, to some extent, first session was not so impressive as far as your answers were concerned, but second session you have tried your level best and you got me quite a few good answers and right answers also. So let us continue with the same topic of exemption under Section 11 of CGST Act. I think this question we did. Okay, this is done. Question number 94, right? Even this also we did. Am I right? Rostin, Rutik, these questions are done. Okay. Now let us go to this. A.R. Rahman. This is also done. Okay. Oi. अरे बाप रे बाप, उल्टा चला गया था. I think this one you must have done it. I'm sorry, the nomenclature is same, but those were the last questions. This also we did. Yes? This question is done or not in your class? Please check and let me know. I believe no. In your class, this question is pending. Okay, so do it. Get me the, sorry. Tax liability. Be quick. Anga and Vipul is studying. Kunwar, I don't know. Rushik, Sonal, Rostin, Samiksha, they are also studying. Very nice. Jivika, Paras, Divya, Ankit, they are also studying. Harsh, Megha, Aprajita, Shubhangi. Chalo, be quick, get me the answer. Prince, Siddesh, Shivani, Krupa. Good. Patel, that is Megha Patel. Aditya, Kishan. Nice. Snehal, Riti, Simran. Oh my God, Simran was there. I think after a long, I have seen her in the class. Yash is studying. Priyanka, Jinans. Pranjal, you are not to be seen. Akshata is studying. Krishna, Priya, Aman, Ishika, Anjali, Yasir, Daina, Ria, Mohit, Sunita, Neha, Archana, Musab. Very good. Vidisa, Jayesh, Deepa, Manish. Good. See, try to understand. It was very clearly mentioned. Don't take this much of time for these small questions. It was very clearly stated that if it is for charitable and social activities, they will be exempted. Rest all will be taxable. Tax rate is given. Like earlier question, which we did here, same way. Here it was mobile phone was taxable, and very easily we got CGST and SGST after applying 2.5% rate of tax. Same logic we will apply here, but here the rate of tax will be 9% and we'll get the answer. Great. Many of you got me the answer. Let us see whether these answers are right or not. Absolutely right. So the student who got me the answer, they were Vidisa, Musab, Archana, Dheeraj, Aparajita, Akshata, Paras, Mohit, Rushik, Sunita, Divya. Great. Big round of applause. Subhangi as well. So now let us go to the next question. This is bit technical. Okay. Here, let me thoda bada kar. I have taken these different 7 items. Okay. These are different types of services. You just let me know whether it will be taxable or not and who will be liable to pay the tax. Who will be liable to pay the tax? Neha also got me the answer of previous question. So what was basically in previous question, only the renting of commercial property was taxable. 9% you have applied. I'm talking about for the other student will apply 9%. You will get 13,500 CGST, 13,500 SGST, and total tax liability or total GST liability will be 27,000. Very right. And now this question is separately. Here they are not asking the taxability. I mean, total tax amount. They are just asking the taxability and who is liable to pay. I mean, earlier also we had this kind of question. See, when we were dealing with section 9 and 10, there also we found who is liable to pay. Who is liable to pay? You know, we did this kind of question. So we know very well, in normal cases, always the supplier will be liable to pay the GST liability except RCM. Okay. If at all it is reverse charge mechanism, then the recipient will be liable to pay. Otherwise, supplier will be liable to pay. So you know, now this kind of questions you might expect. You know, the current question will be based on previous concept what we have learned, or this concept might come in the subsequent concept what we are going to learn in days to come. So this kind of mix learning will be there in GST now. So whatever you are learning, kindly keep a appropriate control on that. Everything will be the part and parcel of your study. So kindly get me the answer of this. Honestly speaking, if you have and you are able to recollect your first two slides, what we had, you will be in a position to get me the answer. One more request. I want all 7 answers together, not in installment. So all 7, you get me the answer. So what will be the answer for question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise. 6 and 7. So you have to get me 2 things. One, whether they will be taxable, and if taxable, who will liable to pay? Who is going to liable to pay of those tax? Only one answer. Why not others? And Divya, your two answers are wrong as far as taxability is concerned. And who is liable? One is wrong. Others also kindly contribute. Thank you, Sunita, for the right answer. And now we have only 3 minutes to go. I'm sharing the answer with you all. Answer is here only. मैंने सिर्फ हाइड कर दिया था, अभी आपको दिखेगा. These are your answer. And in this question, I have kept remark also. If they are taxable, why taxable? If they are non-taxable, why non-taxable? I hope these questions are making you aware how technically you should take exemptions. Section 11 of CGST Act. This 6 and 7 items of exemption, non-exemptions took you almost half an hour and above, and only 2 students got me the answer and 1 student got me the right answer. Sunita Maurya. Less than a minute. Kindly take down fast. Use abbreviation. Be quick. If possible, keep the screenshot.